Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to filter YouTube comments by specific words. This feature can help you block unwanted words or phrases from appearing in the comments section of your videos. It is especially useful for maintaining a positive and respectful environment for your viewers. I will walk you through the process step by step. To get started, log in to your YouTube account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. This will take you to the main dashboard of your channel, where you can manage your content and settings. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will see a menu with various options. Scroll down and click on Settings. This will open a small window where you can adjust different settings for your channel. In the Settings window, click on the Community tab. Under this tab, you will see a section labeled Defaults and another section called Moderation. Scroll down to the Moderation section, where you will find an option for blocked words. This is where you can add the words or phrases you want to block. Simply type the words into the box, separating each word or phrase with a comma. For example, if you want to block words like low, weakle, or any other offensive terms, just type them in one after the other, separated by commas. You can also add variations of words to ensure that all forms of the word are blocked. Once you have added your blocked words, you can enable the Block Links option. This is another useful feature to prevent spam or promotional links from being posted in your comments section. Just check the box next to Block Links, and any comments containing links will automatically be held for review. When you are done adding the blocked words and enabling the link blocking feature, click the Save button at the bottom right corner of the window. Your settings will be updated immediately. From now on, any comment containing the blocked words or phrases will be automatically held for review or removed, depending on your moderation settings. Comments with blocked links will also be filtered out. You can review filtered comments by going to the Held for Review section under the Comments tab in YouTube Studio. This method is a simple and effective way to manage your comments and keep your channel free from unwanted or harmful content. It ensures that your audience can engage in a positive and constructive manner without distractions from spam or inappropriate messages. That is how you can filter YouTube comments by specific words and block links. It is a helpful tool to maintain a clean and respectful community on your channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.